to continue to work effectively. We want to mimic the ideas of the civilization of the United States. So the Americans please effort. There is genocide going on in our land. There is killing going on in our land. There is apartheid being practiced by the Fulani people. They set the Yoruba people apart regardless of our knowledge, regardless of our contribution to modernity. So don't allow modernity to prevail. They are raping people. They are going to people back, taking it over. Americans, please. Americans, help us. We need your help. Please tell President Joe Biden that the situation has gone out of hand. And because of that, we want you to help intervene urgently. We are begging you. So I will give